Creating a new expense category in QuickBooks allows you to better organize and track your business expenses. Here's how to do it. Log into QuickBooks. Open QuickBooks and log into your account. Navigate to the chart of accounts. From the left sidebar, click on Accounting and then select Chart of Accounts. Create a new account. Click on the New button, usually found at the top right corner of the Chart of Accounts page. Select Account Type. In the Account Type drop-down menu, select Expenses. This categorizes your new account as an expense. Detail type and name. Choose a relevant detail type that best describes the expense category. Enter a descriptive name for your new expense category in the name field. For example, office supplies or travel expenses. Optional information. Add a description to provide more details about the category if needed. You can set a default tax rate if this expense category regularly includes tax. Save the new expense category. Click on Save and Close to add the new expense category to your chart of accounts. Verify the new category. Check the chart of accounts to ensure the new expense category is listed correctly.